is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to this vlog. So I look like a hot mess and the lighting sucks. I'm sorry to hear that, but not really. But alright, so we're here today. I have these book lineups, and these are the worst books I've ever read. That some of them I couldn't even make it through, and one of them I actually made it through, which is very surprising because I don't do that. So let's just jump into it. All right, so let's start with book number 1, which will be from Patrick Rothfuss, The Name of the Wind. I heard actually a lot of good things about this book, and I wasn't almost finished with it. I had like 300 more pages left, and I might even, I don't even know where I left off, but I might actually, I just lost interest in it. It wasn't very grabbing. It didn't really grab my attention very much. So, yeah. It wasn't that bad, I guess. So, no, it was pretty bad. So, this is the first book one of the worst books I've ever read. I wouldn't say the worst. Out of 1 to 10, probably 5. I rate this like a 5. One day I'll finish the book. It just goes round in circles and circles, like the way I'm talking. I just go around in circles. So this is a 5. Okay. So, and the next book is called Beneath This Man. If we look at the back and the front, there's no cover. But this basically is a book that's kind of like 50 Shades, but worse. It was just, I don't know. I didn't really enjoy it. I enjoyed 50, but this book I could not really enjoy. It kind of annoyed me somewhat, more. I don't know. I guess just the way she was writing it, and the way she put the characters together, I didn't really like. So I just never finished it. I got halfway through. I got the second book. I might give it another chance. I might have to get a new book though. But I might like the first one. I might give it another chance. But I'm not really quite sure. But so if I had to rate this, it'll probably from 1 to 10. And how bad it is. I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. Maybe if I get into it more, probably like a 7. Maybe like a 7. All right. So this is actually the only book I actually read cover to cover and did not even enjoy it. And it is called A Discovery of Witches. It was interesting, but it didn't really grab my attention to hold it. It would go back and forth. It get interesting, and it would not die down, but I was just I don't know. You couldn't just keep it going up. It kept switching back and forth, but I didn't really like about it. But I did finish it. There is 2 other books about it. One of these days I will buy the next one and probably read it. But this is actually took me a long time to read. And if I had to rate this from how bad it was, from 1 to 10, maybe like a 3. Like I said, because I read it, I actually pushed through. But would I read it again? No. I actually tried reading the not reading, watching the show. Like the show was just so boring. Like I literally just got like 15 minutes into like there's actually a show about this. I got like 15 minutes into it. I was like, not gonna work, not gonna happen. No thanks, thanks anyway. But on another note, if you hear that snoring, that is my dog. He is sleeping on my bed. All right, and the next book number 3 is The Immortal Instruments, City of Bones, which would be like a shocker to a lot of people, because a lot of people do read this book, only because I've read the other, like, what's the other one that I read, the Clockwork Angel book. What was it? The Mortal, what was it? The Infernal Devices. I'm sorry, the Infernal Devices. I've read each book of those 3 times. And I love that series. And it's so funny that I cannot get through this book. I just couldn't. I read it 3 times. The first time I went like halfway. The second time was less. And the third time was even less than that. I haven't even watched the shows. I have all these books. I haven't even read that in one. I might I try to give them, like I said, maybe I wasn't in the mood to read them. So a lot of books I do come back to, maybe to give it the benefit of the doubt. But I'm gonna try it again, but not now. Not anytime soon. But like maybe if I want something to read at home. Usually sometimes I read like 2 books at a time. It's probably something I read at home. But this is another one, which if I did rate, I'm probably like an 8 and how much I don't like it. But the last time I tried reading it though was like quite a few years ago. Like 5 years ago, maybe. So I mean, maybe now I might even like it. I don't know. But as of standing right now, I would rate it I think it's an 8, right? I don't remember. Don't quote me on it. Alright, and the absolute last book is, and I think I actually put this one in my last video. It is the Illusionarium. And I absolutely hated it. I got like a couple chapters in. Didn't like the characters. Didn't like the way they were written. Didn't really make sense to me. And usually I try to, like I said, try to read a lot more. Like I try not to stop reading. The book I'm reading now. It's very slow, and I'm not liking it. But like I said, I give the benefit of the doubt, and I will read as much as I can. So that is that. This one gets 10. 10 being the worst. Never read a book. But if you guys read any of these books, if you guys liked any of these books, I mean, that's your own opinion. Your opinion is different, so, yeah. Anyway, I know I was supposed to do another thing for a book, but I actually don't have. I have a Stephen King book. Was supposed to be next, but I don't have the second book. I actually let somebody borrow it, so I don't actually have. I don't actually have it, but that's it. So those are the 5 worst books that I've ever read. And yeah. So, I guess that will be it. If you guys, let me know down below if you've read any of these and how your intake on these are. And everyone is very different. Like I said, I didn't care for these. Well, I only made through one of them. But, and some of them I'll probably try to reread again. Not anytime soon, but maybe. But, other than that, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see. Oh, and I can't believe my last 2 videos ago, when I was shaving my side shave, I got over 300 views on it. Holy shit! Like that's really crazy. Like that's like so cool. But I might be having another one coming up. I'll be doing a side shave and trimming my hair. When, I don't know. Probably next couple of weeks. But yeah, other than that, like I said before, thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe. I mean, that's your own opinion. You know, everything is different, you know. So, yeah. Anyway, I know I was supposed to do another thing for a book, but I actually don't have. I have a Stephen King book. Was supposed to be next, but I don't have the second book. I actually let somebody borrow it, so I don't actually have. No, I don't actually have it, but that's it. So those are the 5 worst books that I have ever read. And yeah. So I guess that will be it. If you guys, let me know down below if you've read any of these and how your intake on these are. And everyone is very different. Like I said, I didn't care for these. Well, I only made through one of them. But and some of them I'll probably try to reread again. Not anytime soon, but maybe. But other than that, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see. Oh, and I can't believe my last 2 videos ago, when I was shaving my side shave, I got over 300 views on it. Holy shit! Like that's really crazy. Like that's like so cool. But I might be having another one coming up. I'll be doing a side shave and trimming my hair. When, I don't know. Probably next couple of weeks. But yeah, other than that, like I said before, thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe. Peace out. Bye.